Hi there, my name is Suzanne Turner and I'm a kindergarten teacher at Cub Run Elementary. In this video I'm going to show you something that you might see on your child's papers or when you're volunteering in the classroom and find yourself wondering, what in the world is that? You'll also see it in the next few grades too. First, some background information. In kindergarten, our goal is to begin developing your child's number sense. Basically, number sense is an intuitive understanding of numbers. For example, suppose you're rolling dice and you get a 5 and a 6. You don't have to count the dots on the dice to know the numbers. You intuitively know them because of the way the dots are arranged. That's number sense. Now suppose you're adding 9 and 7. If you've ever thought, well, I can take one from the 7, make it a 6, give it to the 9, that makes it a 10, and 6 plus 10 equals 16. That's a lot easier. That's number sense. So here's the tool. It's called a 10 frame, and we use it in kindergarten to help children begin developing their number sense. We use 10 frames to represent numbers. You can see that there's 5 empty boxes on the top of it and 5 on the bottom. We teach children that when we show numbers on the frame, we fill the boxes with one object at a time, starting in the top left-hand corner and filling in from left to right, just like we read words from left to right. Here's how we would show the number 3. And here's the number 6. Notice that all 5 of the top boxes are filled with a shape before we started filling in at the bottom. In this example, there are 7 shapes, but they're in the 10 frame randomly. It's much easier for children to look at the boxes that have objects in them and compare them to the boxes that are empty when we fill the 10 frame in the correct order. Here's the right way to show 7. Once kids have a strong understanding of how the numbers are represented, then we can start asking them more complicated questions like, well, here's 7, how many more do we need to make 10? So they fill up the empty boxes with another object and can quickly see, well, they just needed 3 more objects to make 10. So 10 frames are not only used to represent numbers, they're also used to help develop early addition and subtraction skills. In older grades, they're used to represent 2-digit numbers and more complicated math problems. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you have an understanding of 10 frames and how they're used.